Hey everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to the library. So since it's January, that means it's time for a new teen take and make kit. This month we're going to be making sock snowmen. So I have one of the kits here. Let's take it apart, see what's in it, and I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, so when you first open up your bag, you're going to find a lot of stuff in here. First of all, you're going to find a bag of rice. It might be beans. This is just to weigh down your snowman. And you're going to find some polyfill cotton. That's going to be your stuffing. You're going to find 2 rubber bands, the sock. You're going to find 3 buttons, 2 googly eyes, and you're also going to find a tub of glue, which I have just my regular glue on hand, but there will also be some glue in there for you. All right, so let's go ahead and switch angles and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so you're gonna start by taking your sock and your rice or beans, and you're gonna fill up about 2/3 of your sock, or about 1/3 of your sock with the beans or rice. So we're just gonna kinda take it like this. Open up our rice. You can kind of use the plastic bag as a guide. We're going to pour it into the sock. Just like this. Again, don't forget to kind of tuck it in there and let your bag be your guide. And then you're just going to fill it up. So that has filled up quite a lot of our snowman. So we've got a little bit of room left in the bottom. We want it to be a little bit bigger. So we're gonna take some of that polyfill. I'm gonna stuff it down in there. And this is just gonna kind of fill him out. Make him a little bit fluffier on the bottom part. Now that you've got this part of your snowman, you're gonna take one of your rubber bands and you're going to loop it around the sock, and you're just going to keep looping it around the sock until you've got that bottom part tied off, like so. You want it to be pretty tight. Try to keep them close together because you want to hide the rubber band after you are done. You're going to hide it under the rest of the snowman. And that's probably good enough right there. All right, so the next step, after you've got this part done, and if you want, you can move it down some. You can just kind of roll it down like this and get it as close to your stuffing as you can, and to make him look as round as possible. We want him to look round like a snowman. All right, and kind of tuck the gray part down so it's not visible. All right, now we are going to take the rest of our polyfill and we're going to fill it up to about where the texture changes, where it gets stripy. So let's go ahead and put some more polyfill in to make his head. Next step, we're going to go ahead and take that other rubber band and we're going to loop it off here and close off the top part of the head of the snowman. So you've got that rubber band on the top part too, as well as the bottom. Next up, we are going to take this part of the snowman, the top part, the sock, and we're going to fold it down over the snowman's head and make him a little hat. So once you get your snowman and his hat the way you like it, the next step is going to be putting on the eyes and the buttons. Also, we kind of want to hide that little bit of scruff there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue there and kind of hold it on there. And that way it will hopefully hold and hide that little bit of rubber band. Okay, so my glue trick didn't work super well. If you have any hot glue or anything like that around your house, that will stick a whole lot better than regular glue, and it'll work a whole lot faster. So if you have access to that, you can try to use that to glue down your snowman's neck. Otherwise, you might just have to be a little wobbly. So now we're going to go ahead and glue on his eyes and his buttons. I'm going to start with the eyes. Okay, now that his eyes are on there, we're going to go ahead and take our buttons and put them on there. These might be a little big for him. I think I'm just going to put one button on mine because it's kind of big. Yeah, let's just do one button. If you make your snowman's body bigger, you could probably use at least 2 more buttons. In fact, you could probably go a little bit bigger than what I've made here with the stuff that you have. So, however you want to do it. And there we have it. One other thing that you'll find in your kit that you can use glue to glue on is a colorful pom-pom that you will be able to put on the top of your hat. I don't have that with me at the moment, but you will find those in your kits. And that is how you make your sock snowman. Ta-da! All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.